In this question, you have to identify the statement that is true regarding the balloon-shaped structure called tylosis. Option A are extensions of xylem parenchyma cells into vessels. Now, tyloses are balloon-shaped outgrowths of the xylem parenchyma cells that extend into the lumen of the xylem vessels, and it often blocks the vessels. And this appears typically in response to injury or infection, and that helps to prevent the spread of the pathogens. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B are linked to the ascent of sap through xylem vessels. It is incorrect because tyloses actually block the xylem vessels, and it hinder the upward movement of water and nutrients. Option C originate in the lumen of vessels. It is also incorrect because, as already stated, tyloses originate from the xylem parenchyma cells and not directly in the lumen of the vessels. Option D characterize the sapwood. It is also incorrect because these are found in the heartwood, where they block the vessels and prevent water flow, and not in the sapwood, which is rather involved in the active conduction of water.